Start this video out by welcoming y'all to Jethro's Garage. It's a new YouTube channel, but it's a fairly vetted one. It's been around for a long time as a placeholder. I started it out as I was wanting to put biker videos on there, and there's one on there. It's a little cheesy, a bunch of pictures, some short video clips that I put together. It's from like 2007. So the YouTube channel has been in there as a placeholder for quite some time, but I've never really done anything with it. I'm going to start off this video web series sort of as a journey. Right now I'm working on my dream garage. Been working on it for the past few months now. Actually broke ground on it sometime around January, February, I believe. But didn't actually start building anything till around August. I've been working on the inside, trying to get everything straight. I actually moved into it completely this past weekend. I'm still trying to get organized. I've got stuff in boxes everywhere, little parts, bits and pieces I want to go through. So this video is a bit of a introduction. I work on all kind of stuff. Let's see if I can show you. I got a shovel head sitting right there. I'm working on gonna restore, do sort of a mod to it. My tractor that I brought back to life, it wasn't real bad off, but it, need a little work, and I built a little set of forks for the back for the 3-point hitch. I'll put together a video on that one at some point. I've got a Fairlane and a Ranchero out there outside. The Fairlane's going to come in here pretty soon, and I got to get the shifter linkage working right on it, and then weld up the exhaust. When I get through with that, I've got a sniper system I'm going to put on it. I want to get it running good, run through the tank of gas that's in it, put some good stuff in it, and go from there. So that's it. We'll go through little things every now and then, like so last night and the night before I made this bookshelf and a battery rack. Nothing special, just get stuff up out of the way, puts it in a place where I know where it's at every time. Tonight today I went and bought 2 tables. That table you see sitting there, and then I've got another one. I'll walk you over here to it, that I put together. I'm using that table that I just showed you for a press that I've got, but this other table I ended up mounting my drill press on it. Let me move this other deal out of the way. Everything's a little tight right here because I've still got things to put up. I've got a lot of stuff to put up. This line of shelves right here, when I do finally get around to building a loft, which will be this whole section over here. There'll be a loft 16 foot out, 8 foot high, 8 foot from the ground. All that'll be a loft. 16 foot of it will be for parts storage. I'm going to have pretty much 3 or 6 sets of these shelves up there to hold parts and just different things I've accumulated, and I find myself going through needing some of the stuff every now and then. I'm a bit of a pack rat. Hate to throw anything away. So that's me, a little bit about me. I'll work on videos, work on getting stuff, figure out how to edit, and as time goes, things should get better, and hopefully you turn in and like, subscribe, and be a part of the family. Until then, bye.